This is my favorite toy when I was a kid. It's basically just a robot ball that is completely sealed. Quite fun, I like it. Batteries inside have degraded completely, and this no longer charges or powers on in any way. But I was able to get it to like connect to my phone when it was on the charger. But other than that, it's pretty broken. So I'm gonna try to swap the batteries. This is a jewelry saw. It's the thinnest saw I could find. Sharpie to mark. So yeah. I'm in. I went diagonal. I accidentally went like that instead of like that. Yeah, these are tough batteries. Look at these bloated batteries. Pillows. Wow! It works without the batteries.
Sphero detected. Initializing connection.
Okay, now it's these low batteries. I got the new batteries. Yeah, exactly. 70, 20, 30. These ones, 70, 20, 35. But as you can see, they're the exact same size. For some reason, this is smaller than what is written. So. Okay. Now it goes down. Alright. Oh, it's working.
Sphero detected. Initializing connection. Ground. Sphero has a blue tail light.
Oh my shit. Alright. Just stop. Okay. Time to close it up. If it turns off. Okay. So the idea is, this is our ground. This is here in the middle. And then another ground. I don't know if this is gonna work. And then some weight. It works pretty well. So this is the setup. Oh, it's so funny. I'm just gonna put B7000 just because it's undoable, so why not try it? If this is too weak, where's the glue? Oh yeah, I'm gonna use this epoxy. This. No! It was holding too. Okay, it's back. And I'm gonna use a little bit of super glue just to hold it in. Okay, I accidentally stopped the recording, but those few dots of super glue really helped. I eventually did not need this jig that I made. After those super glue hardened, I added the B7000, and now I'm just waiting for it to dry out. But so far, it's pretty rigid, like I can't move it at all. That's probably because of the super glue, but I did leave this at least an hour to dry too. So yeah.